Hey, hello everyone, this is Rutik and it's our day 51 of Finding Job series. And let me tell you what I did today, what I learned. So, let's start. We know, as usual, I woke up at 7. After that, I did some exercise, got ready, and sat at my desk. We learned about the fetch yesterday, and today I learned about the Axios. I discovered the Axios, why we use it, if we have the fetch, then why we need the Axios, because they both are doing the same task, managing the API request, as I say yesterday, how fetch work. But there is some limitation in fetch. Fetch have a longer code. It doesn't handling the error, as well as for the parsing the response we need to do it manually. So there are some limitation in fetch, and for that limitation, solving this problem in fetch, the Axios comes in a picture. Axios is a JavaScript library. We know fetch is the browser built-in function, but the Axios is the JavaScript library. Okay, so when we install it, we get the Axios, and using Axios, I am able to fetch any API request like the Axios in .get, or in bracket I write the HTTP request. And when that HTTP request sent to the server send sort of a response, then Axios automatically, actually it's receive whole body, and it's give the response like a fail or a success, and it's automatically handle the error, and it's automatically handle error, and after that it's parse all our response as well, and gives the actual response. So in fetch, we call the fetch function in which we pass the API request. After that, I handle the errors, like if response dot okay, then show the response. If not, I need to handle the error manually. After that, when I receive the response, I need to convert it into the JSON, parse into the JSON, and then I'm able to use it. But in Axios, it's happened very quickly. I'm directly passing the API request in the Axios, and I directly get the data. I didn't do the anything like any parsing or any error handling manually. It's automatically handled by the Axios. So that's why Axios comes in a picture. Fetch is I think useful in the small level application, or the medium level application, but in the bigger scale, we mostly prefer the Axios. And after that, I solve the DSA problems around the sorting. Today I learn about the bucket sort, and one is a Radix sort. So basically, Radix sort is the continuation of counting sort, but where we don't use the range, we use the digit, ls. L means least significant digit. Like if I have the 10 digit, so I calculate the last number, and I sorted accordingly. So that's how we sorted the array in the Radix. And after that, the bucket sort is very simple. If I have one array, I am divide that array into the sort of buckets. Like I have one big array, I divide it into the three buckets. I am individually sort one bucket using the any sort algorithm, and after that I merge them all. That's how bucket sort work. I solve the problems around it as well, and after that I go visit to my friend, and doing, I do some time pass there. I meets all my friends, and after that I come home, and again I resume my task. I completed one project task was remain, so I completed that, and applied for some jobs. Also did the communication practice as well, and that's it for the day. I think nothing else. As usual, today is a Saturday, and tomorrow is a Sunday. Basically, I review my whole week tomorrow. Let's see what happened. And till then, bye bye. Keep hopes.